My name is Meaghan Serafin, and I'm coming to you today to ask you to renew your patronage at the Irish Cultural Centre. I come to you as a new board member of the ICC and also as a new patron of the ICC. I made the decision to become a patron for several reasons, but the most important reason to me was the feeling that I feel when I walk through the door of the ICC. I grew up in a family where my grandparents were first-generation Irish, and we lived in an Irish neighborhood, and the music, the culture, the traditions, they were just part of our everyday life. Now, when I walk through the doors of the ICC, the staff, the music, the patronage, the ambiance here, it invokes a spirit in me. It creates this sense of belonging. There is a nostalgic tug on my childhood, and now there's this renewed spirit in me to now share the Irish heritage with my children. And that's why I decided to become a patron myself. It's through your patronage and your continued support that ICC is able to continue helping to support and promote Irish culture and heritage back through Western Massachusetts. I ask for you now to take the time to renew your patronage. Please click the link below to renew your patronage today. Thank you.